So you've finally decided to embark on the task of climbing the highest mountain in Africa. Congratulations. You'll be passing through 5 different vegetation zones. Temperatures can range from a blazing 40 degrees Celsius at the bottom to a freezing -20 at the top. It's important to pack clothes for all the different climate changes you will experience on the mountain. You need to be well prepared for your expedition, and it can be a bit daunting making sure you have all the right clothing and equipment. But don't worry. We are here to give you a comprehensive rundown. First off, you'll need a pair of shorts, t-shirts, a hat, polarized sunglasses, a day pack, water bottles. You'll need at least 3 of these, as you'll be drinking about 3 liters of water a day on the mountain. High factor sun cream, thermals, both long johns and a thermal top, thick warm hiking socks, ski pants, hiking boots. Make sure these are a good fit and have been worn in at least once. Rain jacket, a warm fleece, a scarf or buff, a beanie, ski jacket, thick warm gloves, hiking poles. These are not essential, but preferred with a lot of our clients when climbing both up and back down the mountain. A headlamp with spare batteries. This is essential for nighttime at the camps, as well as on the last leg of the climb when you start climbing at midnight. Now let's take a look at the basic equipment you'll need to be carrying. A big bag to carry all your clothing. Don't worry, you don't have to lug this up the mountain. This will be carried by our porters. But please make sure the weight doesn't exceed 12 kilograms and that it's a duffel bag or backpack. A day pack to carry your water, sun cream, camera and spare jacket. Your passport. You'll need to fill in your passport number when you first sign in at the gate, and it will be safer kept with you in your day pack. Money, preferably in US dollars. This is to tip the porters at the end of your climb if you feel they've done a good job. A basic medical aid kit. A towel. A toiletry bag. Toilet paper. A book for some light reading at the end of a long day of climbing. And finally, a camera. You'll want to make sure you get at least a few pics to prove to friends and family back home that you climbed the highest freestanding mountain in the world. Spare batteries are always a good idea to get that final epic picture of you standing on the roof of Africa. And that's it. All other equipment needed for the climb is supplied by us. You should now be well prepared for a safe and incredible journey with us up to the roof of Africa.